we have learned about what government gives. Now what we need to do, we have identified parishes that have got problems, that still have problems with the PDM, that still has problems with the health. Like this town council where we concluded today, there is no secondary school for government and the population is too high. The young people here are many. And Makiu in Teso, Serere district, is the biggest and the highest in population. So, no school here in this town council. We don't have any health center here, whether health center 2 or, and the secondary school you need 7 kilometers. You need 5 kilometers. Actually, the nearest is 7 kilometers for secondary school. What has helped this town council for secondary is my private school. Of course, those that do well, I bring them a half payment or part payment or a full payment. But the majority cannot afford 200,000 a day school. They can't afford. So we need a school urgently here. We need a health center urgently here. Then also, we don't have a technical school here. And the majority of children need a technical school. So meanwhile we wait for government, we have now decided that every holiday we bring them to school so that they can, and then weekends, so that they are able to catch up. Otherwise, like Serere Town Council now, the youth have started raping women. When the vice president came, it was one of the key things. One time when she came for some funeral rites, it was one key thing that was addressed to her, insecurity of gangs, the youth now that have formed the groups. So for me, 2 weeks from now, what I'm going to do is to sit down with the district technical team and political team to do evaluation. What have we seen and what are we going to do? 2, we're going to go now to some isolated parishes that we can be able to help, because we have some parishes here that are so big, even PDM, not even a quarter of those parishes. Before I was born, those places were in existence, but they have never been divided. So we need to address that. Then the other thing is to now go to individual challenges that we realized here. We realized there are individuals that needed to be visited. The district as authority and its CDO chooses the groups to benefit. And now when they choose, maybe there are 5 people in the group. Now, this group is given 5 million, 7 million, and they use that money as individuals. That money should be relocated. Instead of giving some individuals or individual groups, it's better to announce that this parish has got 30 million. Why not use that 30 million for the roads of that parish, for the boreholes of that parish, and for those who can be, maybe if you are like 10 in the group, but not giving only 5 people to benefit 6 million, 7 million. That's one thing I've noted. Prime Minister's office about micro projects needed to be revisited because it is invisible on the ground.